crazy application that I've come across, which pretty much has almost everything that's entertainment, AI. Watch out for the video, guys. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Why a lot of features, guys? I'm talking about everything. I mean everything. AI art generator. You have the AI scan. You have the AI document. You can turn your words or your text or whatever story you want into a PDF file. You have the social media where you can log in. You have the browser option. You also have live football matches which you can check in with when they're going to play and so forth. You also have TV series which you can check out as well, but we'll just redirect you to your Chrome browser. Also, do keep in mind you do have browser as well which you can search on new movies. Man, there are just so much things on this application. And if I tap on the news option, this is pretty much what's going on around the world, and it's up to date, guys. It's up to date. So you can pretty much find out information in the news section, the movie series. You can find the best movie or the trending movie right now. For that, or drama series, we have the anime option here, the trending anime movie, you have the trending series, you have the trending movie around the world right now, and also the trending new ones as well, the trending hot ones here as well. So everything that you could think of. If you want AI related stuff, you can go in the AI center option here and pretty much find out whole bunch of features which you can use, guys. I'm not talking about one, I'm not talking about 10. It's just a lot. You have the image upscaler, which is pretty much straightforward. Let's say for one of these features you want to try it out. Let's say watermark remover. All you have to do is just upload an image and then you select the remove watermark and you're pretty much good to go. Same thing for on any one of these features here. Let's say if we have the AI translator, just the information will translate it to any language that you want. Also, you have the AI solve maths problem here. Guys, there's just so much AI feature. You have the video script option there, you have social media copyright option there. A lot of features, guys. So with that said, I'm not going to subscription part. So here you can go, here's the circle icon here, tap on the VIP subscription and what to be getting. So pretty much for the VIP, so no ads. I don't want you to any ads on the application. However, you have the 2 GB cloud storage which you get as well. You have the AI tools, some more AI tools which you get in, which is crazy. And in this option here, you can pretty much find all your videos, all types of files on your device. So that's pretty much it for that. There also this icon here is pretty much where you will find your save and also your history search section. Everything that you have done on the application will be found here. Also, you can download music or anything and you can play it within this application, which is crazy. So if I go in the settings option here, you can also enable the block ads mode. You can set it as my default browser or whatever you want to do, guys. So let's drop on the search icon here. You can search as normal. This is pretty much a browser. Then enter Google. This is pretty much a browser which you can search on the web as well. So you can search for what you want to do. Also, if you don't understand the word, you can just tap on the speaker icon here. You don't want to type, I should say. You can just tap on press start and it will allow recording audio, but I don't want the video to be paused. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that there. If I tap on the 3 lines over here, you can as well enable incognito mode and also save a specific website as my bookmark. So whatever you guys want to do, it's all in this one application. And if I miss anything that's not in it, do comment below because it got everything. And with all that thing, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys in the next one.